See, I was worked out carport. That's where they break. Like in the wind.
Well, I have a question. When you do the wedge, and you have the wedge like this, do you use the tip of the wedge like the under the...
No, they say a third.
Otherwise it can't... Oh, it's a third?
It doesn't matter.
A third of the distance there?
A third of the distance. But see, there was a lot more involved in here than just a normal tree. See this piece here? Right here that fell off? I was going to cut into here. Right here. But see, then I cut... See how little was holding this piece on the stump itself? That's why I started to, actually, and I looked at it. I was afraid that this would come off before the tree fell over. That's right. So that's why I didn't... Normally I probably would have cut in there. No, that's pretty close, but...